Good morning, good people. This is Today is Thursday. No, today is Wednesday, the 10th day of June. Sorry. I thought it's on that day. So today is Wednesday, the 10th of June, and this is what we were looking at yesterday. This was our analysis for yesterday. So let's dig in. Let's do a quick recap of what we had yesterday, and we'll start with the buys. We are looking for I remember marking this level and saying this would be a potential buy, but a very high risk buy, and I didn't take this one. Neither did I take this potential sell. I marked it as high risk. This is because we are within a consolidation. We are within a consolidation. We are within this. We were within these levels. This is a high, and this is a low. Price was consolidating around here. Then it came and started consolidating around this level here and this one here. So I didn't take this trade here. The week, because of the week rejection, price came all the way here. Let me let me open it up so you can see it well. Price came, but rejected here. You can see this long week rejection here. So that was my signal not to take this buy, and I didn't take it. For the safe buys, we are looking for safe buys above this level. This would be a safe buy because it would be a breakout of the consolidation, this consolidation within here, this consolidation range here. It would be a breakout. If we had a candle closing above our level here with some good bullish momentum, then that would be a safe trade to take, okay, and push the market up. So we never got the buys. For the potential sales, I said they were high risk because they're still within the consolidation. Uh, Price came all the way here. Uh, uh, there was a sweep of liquidity here. Price swept this high here. It came swept liquidity. This was the high that was swept here. It was also an Asian high here. Uh, Liquidity was swept. Then around this time is when we had this news coming in. There's news that came in yesterday. There was breaking news saying that let me see what's the breaking news. There was breaking news at around 420 something, around 450 something, yeah. Yesterday at around 4. Let me see. There was news that came out saying that let me read it for you. I had a screenshot somewhere. Because of time. There's the news that said there's news that came out from the White House official saying that talks on a deal to prevent Iran from possessing nuclear weapons have yielded positive results. That news came out at 4:53 and 4:53, and that is when you saw this big move here at around 4:50. This candle closed at 4, opened at 4:30, closed at 5. Then the next candle opened, and then you saw this big push here when they said that talks on a deal to prevent Iran from possessing nuclear weapons have yielded positive results. Okay, led to this push here. So now, for the cells, you see, if you took this cell here, if you took this cell here, just a minute. So for the cells, there was a potential cell here, a high risk one. Price just came broke through. It was never retested. So this one, I didn't take this one either. I didn't take that trade either. So for the high risk trades, I didn't take any of them. I didn't take any of these high risk trades. So for the safe sells, we are looking for safe sells below this level here. Price came wicked here, then broke below and closed below here. So I decided to take this trade here with a very small lot size, 0.01. Take this trade from here all the way down here. I'm still in the trade, though my stop loss is here. And I think it looks like it's going to be hit anytime from now. And I'll be safely out with what I've made. That's a risk to reward ratio of 3. That's 3R, which is good, works for me. So that's where my stop loss is. I think it has been hit and I'm out. Okay. So now that's the trade I took. That's a win. The So far we've executed how many trades? Yesterday I misled you, sorry. Yesterday we had executed 5 trades, won 4, lost 1. Today, this is the 6th trade that we executed. This trade was executed yesterday before midnight, and this trade was executed. We were activated at 9 p.m. So this is the 6th trade we have executed. We've lost 1 and won 5. Okay, so if you're keeping count, so real quick, let's dig into the charts today. See what we have on the news, on the fundamentals. What do we have? Today is a big day. Today is CPI. Hope you all remember that. Today is CPI on the 3:30 p.m. We have the CPI data coming out. So watch out for that. I'll be trading the CPI today. It's a very, very volatile fundamental to trade. And I know it's gonna move the USD big time. Okay. So if you want, I'll drop an analysis for that later. But for now, let's do a quick analysis. See what if we can get a trade before CPI. So let's remove everything. Begin our top-down analysis on the 1 month. Top-down analysis on 1 month. That's our resistance up there. Then we have our support down here. Jump down to the weekly. Weekly, we have our swing high up here. We have this swing high up here. Then we have this internal structure. This high here. The low is still here. We're almost getting to the low there. And then we jump down to the daily. On the daily, this is what we are looking at. There was this break of structure yesterday here. The structure was broken yesterday. So on the daily, we have our high here on the daily. That's our high on the daily. The low still low. We have this. This is still the low we are going to use. 4 hours. 4 hours. We had this break of structure here. Then there was this small pullback. So let's mark this level here. Is our 4 hour level here, and then we have the 4 hour low. low. Let's use this kind of here. This is our 4 hour low here. When you get to 4 hours, I like to use the bodies, not the wicks. So move that to the body there, move that to the body there. Jump down to 1 hour. 1 hour, what do we have on 1 hour? On 1 hour, still on the same. On 1 hour, still on the same levels. This is the low. This is the 8 a.m. candle, and this is the high. On 1 hour. 1 hour, that's where we are. Jump down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, now this is where we start to look for our entry. It's 8 a.m. candle. We had this resistance here. We have this resistance here. Let me use this one as a resistance here. This one here. With this resistance here on 30 minutes. Still same on 15 minutes, I believe. Yeah, still the same on 15 minutes. So this is how I would trade today. This is how I would take this trade today. And I'll move that one there. Then move this level here. So if we get this candle closing above this level, then that would be our potential buy. This would be our potential buy. Potential buy is above. And then our potential sales would be here. This would be our potential sales. Potential sales below. This strategy has worked for me for the longest time. It's pretty simple that it looks even, sometimes it looks stupid, but it works. So if I get that buy, I'm pushing it all the way in position to this. If we get the buy, I'm pushing it all the way up here. Stop loss just there. That is for the buy. And if we get a sell, short position, I'll be taking it from this level here, pushing it all the way down here. Okay, this is before CPI data comes out. So a few minutes before CPI, I'll be doing the analysis for the CPI. I'll drop it on my channel. So keep an eye out for that. So this is a trade I'll be looking to take before CPI. Before CPI data comes out. But remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is key. Risk manage your trades well. Don't risk your capital unnecessarily. Don't take unnecessary risks on your capital. It's too far behind. Let me see what you have on fours. Okay. So what do you have on fours? Okay. Yes, if we get a sell, that's a clean move down there. If we get a buy, I'll be looking to push it all the way up here. Okay. If we get a buy, push it here. We could push it to this level here. We could push it to this level here, just to be safe. Okay. If we get a sell, push it to this level here. So that's what I'm looking at today. We still have a risk to reward ratio of 3.7, 3.27, which is good. That's a good risk to reward ratio. That's a good risk to reward ratio. For the sale, I have 3.4, which is also good. So trade what you see, not what you think. See you tomorrow for a recap of this. I'll be dropping my CPI analysis at around 3:15 p.m. East African time. Okay? All right, I'm out. Ciao.